Okay, welcome to part two of this training. Uh, so, what you do is you're going to go to the back end of the website we created for you. We already provided you your back end login details. So, you just log in this way, and the information on how to log into the back end is also sent to you. So now you'll see a number of menus by this sidebar. A number of them you really don't need to concern yourself with them. You just need to focus on the one that we use to implement your online application booking. So we use a plugin called Booking. So you just click on Dashboard. So I'm going to show you how to create services for yourself on your dashboard. Okay, so these are this gives you information of those customers that are booked for appointment with you. Apart from the fact that you're going to receive an email, remember I booked an appointment and I used this email. So um, now, a lot of things you won't need to bother yourself. Just follow my cue. It's so simple. So if I click, first thing I'm going to do is to click on services. So you'll see the list of services. You probably might see just one service. Okay, you can create as many services as you want. Okay, and you can even have your services in categories. Okay, so let's click create new service. Let's assume you're legal professional and one of the services you provide is let me say mediation. Okay, you write the description about your service. Okay, let me make it very generic because it's not only legal people who provide service to. It could be anything. Okay, let me just say mediation. Now here you describe the service you are offering your clients. So this space you can write whatsoever you think it's good for your clients so that they can now click on the book button for them to book an online appointment with you. Now, basically, the reason why booking an online appointment is important is we're in a new era, COVID-19 era or post-COVID-19 era. So things are changing. So we really don't have to have physical meeting to have conversations with our clients. So let's say the duration is for 30 minutes or now it's a minute. So we can have 60 minutes, that's 1 hour. Then the price, if you want to put a price to it, but if it is free, you just click this is free. Okay. Then if you have created service types like I did here, you could just put it under any of the service type. But if you don't really need a service type, just leave it the way it is. Then um, you assign a user to it. So, but now you can only assign just one user. So it's better you use a generic name instead of a person's name. You could just use consultant. You use advisor or anything that works fine for you. Now, allow online booking. Certainly, you want people to book online, and you click on save. Now, if you want to ask, you have a large number of consultants within your organization. That means, and each of them can consult for clients at different time, and you want the process to be absolutely um, automatic. That means you will have to now upgrade to the higher version of the StartBooking plugin. So we're currently using the lower version that only allows one user. That only allows one. That only allow you to assign one user. But in the actual sense, any of your team member can attend to any of your clients without them even knowing who they are actually, the person attending to them. Okay, I click save. Then immediately I see success. This has happened. So the next thing is, there's a tab called class. So this tab called class only work for the upgrade version. So I'm going to do back. I really don't need it. Okay. Then form editor. Already created how your form should look like, but you have a choice to change how it looks like. So, and we have type. So if you want types to display, I don't really want types to display. I just want client to see my services and pick the one they want. So okay, we have then the form type shows you how it's going to look like on your own page. See, this is the meditation I just created. It's 0 because I'm not charging any amount for it. Okay, then I can decide to hide price. If I click on hide price, all the prices are hidden. Whenever I want to display price, all the prices will show. I can also hide description, I can hide duration, but I don't see it doesn't make sense to hide description and duration. You can actually hide price, especially if you are providing your online consultation to your customers or to your client for free. So I'm not hiding mine because I'm not providing it for free. So you can actually change this word above, select a service. Okay, if you look at the actual website where your service page is showing, let me go there. Bookings. I have the word. Okay, it's loading. I have the word select service type. What it means is if I click select service type, I just clicked e-commerce and I click continue. That's when it shows me select service, select the service. Okay, so I can actually edit the selected service and put something else. So if we want to put something else, then I can come to provider. So I can hide the provider. I really don't want, like, I don't really see a reason why to show the name of the provider. So I would prefer to have it hidden. But if you want it to show, you can put the name of the provider. Okay, but my solution. Okay, I prefer to hide it. Then include user bio. If you want, like, look at this example. Suzanne has. If you're also doing this system is so simple that it gives you idea of what you see. So Suzanne has a dedicated has decade of experience in helping you achieve your goal. So you can also put details, but I don't want that. So appointment. So this is where I select the days I'm available. Like, I can edit what is here, but it's cool. Select a date and a time, and you can hide it. But I don't see a reason why you should hide it. So Now the current date, I can change the color to, I'll change it to blue, can change it to red. I think I like the red color. Then the background, okay, I prefer um there's a green background and a white color. I like that. So the next thing is to look at the date. Okay, so we've looked at that. Then I'm going to come to details. Okay, what details do you want to receive from your prospective client? So you have complete appointment. You can actually edit this to what you want, but complete appointment make some sense, or makes a lot of sense. Then you have email. You want them to put in their email, their first name. Now, what placeholder means is, okay, just to give people an idea of what they should put in there. But you can actually remove it if you don't want it. You just want it blank, okay? But I think I like it that way. Then if you want their phone number, and if you want to attach, now for you to attach an e-commerce form, I'm going to show you a different way to do that. So, and if you want to submit, and if you need them to click um, display legal um, links, what it means is you want them to see, click the button below to see our terms and condition and private policy. So if you want that, you could just reach out to me. I'll just fix that for you, because this is quite a little bit technical. I'm sure you can only read the words there, but this actually means a lot. So how to fix that for you? Okay. Then what happened when this appointment is booked? So you could write anything. Thank you for booking an appointment. Make payment to so. Then display. So now the next thing is, I can actually change if it's a free, if you're offering free um, appointment booking. So you really don't have to have make payment. You can just have um, return to home. What it means is going to take them to the home page, and you put your website address here, or you just typically hide the button. So if it's a free one, you just put hide the button. But we accept payment for before clients can. So we just have that there, and we have make payment. But if it's completely free, you just do an hide button, make payment to complete. So you just change this message to something like your um thank you, okay, thank you for booking an appointment. You can have something like, we look forward to see you. Check your email for the Zoom meeting link. That works fine. For further inquiries, call 08033. Oh no, I don't want to put my number. Call this number. Okay, this is not correct. So with that, it's cool, right? But that's not what I want. So let me restore to what I used to have. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's what I used to have. So I have make payment. So having done that, so if I still want custom field, I want to add a custom field here, and the custom field actually only work for the upgraded version. So if you want the upgraded version, you can reach out to me for us to talk about it. Okay, so I think with this you know how to create your services, your appointment. Now another thing which is major is how do you pick the times you are available to have an online conversation with your client. So I'm going to click on setting. um, I'm going to come to general. So I'm going to click on adjust. No. Um, okay. I would have loved to make it really simple. Okay, I think the best thing I should do is to create this video is becoming too long, so I'm going to create one more video to finalize the entire training program. Okay, thank you so much. See you in my next video, which is going to be the final video.